Hello everybody, welcome back to Channels and Machinery, Dairy Breeding Farm Technology, revolutionizing efficiency and productivity. Dairy farming has evolved significantly with the adoption of cutting-edge technology, enhancing both efficiency and the well-being of livestock. Central to this innovation is the advanced approach to feeding and milking cows. A combination of precision machinery and automated systems now supports farmers in managing their herds more effectively, ensuring that both the quantity and quality of production are optimized. The primary source of food for dairy herds is hay, but the modern approach to feeding goes far beyond simply providing cut hay. Today's dairy farms utilize a sophisticated process where hay is harvested using machines, fermented, and then mixed with other nutrients to create a balanced and nutritious diet for the cows. This fermentation process enhances the digestibility of the hay and preserves it for longer periods, reducing waste and ensuring that the herd has a consistent supply of high-quality food year-round. This blend of fermented hay is combined with other substances, including grains and minerals, to meet the specific dietary needs of the herd. These mixtures are created with precision, based on factors such as the cow's age, stage of lactation, and overall health. By using advanced machinery to handle the preparation and distribution of this food, farms can ensure that each cow receives the optimal amount and composition of nutrients. This not only improves milk production, but also contributes to the overall health and longevity of the herd. Furthermore, automated feeding systems now allow for precise portion control and timely feeding schedules. This technology not only saves labor, but also enhances the cow's feeding efficiency by delivering the right amount of food at the right time, reducing overfeeding and minimizing food wastage. The integration of these feeding systems into dairy farms represents a significant advancement in herd management. Milking is one of the most critical aspects of dairy farming, and with advancements in technology, it has been revolutionized by the introduction of automatic milking systems. The MRS-1 milking robot, for example, has transformed the traditional process into a highly efficient, data-driven operation. The MRS-1 system employs a robot arm that completes the entire milking process from a completely enclosed technical space, minimizing contamination risks and ensuring a hygienic environment. This robotic arm handles every stage of the milking process. It cleans and sanitizes the cow's udder, attaches the milking equipment, and monitors the flow of milk. The system is entirely automated, which reduces human intervention and the likelihood of errors, making the process faster and more consistent. Moreover, the MRS-1 is equipped with a comprehensive data management system. It stores and tracks information about each cow's milking patterns, including washing, priming, and actual milk extraction. This data is invaluable for farmers as it provides insights into the health and productivity of individual cows, allowing for better decision-making in terms of breeding, feeding, and veterinary care. Another key feature of the MRS-1 is its ability to continuously monitor the quality of milk during the milking process. Sensors within the system check for abnormalities in the milk, such as signs of infection or contamination. If the milk does not meet the required quality standards, it is automatically separated from the rest of the batch. This ensures that only high-quality milk is collected, enhancing the overall product delivered to consumers. Cleaning dairy barns efficiently is crucial for maintaining hygiene and ensuring the health of livestock. A range of methods and procedures are available to tackle this task, including innovative systems that streamline the cleaning process. Among these, the instant suction, vehicle behind scraper, and patented scraper design stand out as effective solutions. Here's how they work. Instant suction systems are designed to quickly remove waste, water, and debris from barn alleys and floors. This method uses powerful suction to immediately capture and transport waste to designated disposal areas, ensuring the environment remains dry and safe for both animals and workers. Instant suction systems can be paired with other tools like scrapers to further enhance their effectiveness. A vehicle behind scraper system leverages the power of a utility vehicle or tractor to automate barn cleaning. The scraper, attached to the rear of the vehicle, drags along the alleyways, effectively gathering manure and debris. This mechanized method reduces labor, as the vehicle's power allows for consistent cleaning without requiring excessive manual effort. The patented scraper design is a standout feature in modern dairy barn cleaning solutions. These scrapers are engineered to automatically compensate for obstacles they encounter, such as uneven flooring or bedding. This adaptability ensures that the scraper maintains constant contact with the floor, providing thorough cleaning across the entire barn. Adjustable down pressure on scrapers allows for customized cleaning based on the type of surface and the amount of debris present. Operators can easily modify the pressure to ensure optimal cleaning without damaging the floors or leaving residue behind. Another key feature of advanced scraper systems is the ability to perform cross-alley turns. This maneuver ensures that no part of the alley is missed during the cleaning process, allowing the scraper to cover every inch of the barn, including hard-to-reach areas. These systems are designed to clean the complete alley, ensuring no manure or waste is left behind. Some also incorporate spreading mechanisms to evenly distribute bedding or manure across fields, turning waste into fertilizer while maintaining the cleanliness of the barn.